Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the hills, there was a special tree everyone called Grandpa Tree. This tree stood tall in the center of the village, providing cool shade, delicious fruits, and a home for birds and animals. The villagers loved it dearly. People would sit under its branches to talk, elders would pray in its shade, and children played around its roots. Grandpa Tree was the heart of the village. One day, some men from the city came to the village. They said, "We want to build a factory here. It will bring jobs and progress. But to build it, we have to cut down this tree because it's right in the middle." Some villagers agreed at once, dreaming of better jobs and wealth. But a young boy named Ahmed was very upset. He ran to the tree, hugged it tightly, and said, "Grandpa Tree, they want to cut you down. I won't let that happen." The tree's branches gently swayed above him, as if whispering, "My son, if you truly want to save me, help others understand my worth." Ahmed started a campaign. He went from house to house, telling people about the amazing benefits of trees. Did you know one big tree produces about 260 pounds of oxygen a year? Did you know trees protect the soil and prevent floods? Trees don't just give shade, they are the breath of life for us all. At first, some people laughed, "What can a child do?" But Ahmed didn't give up. One day, he gathered all the village children and taught them about trees. If every one of us plants and cares for just one tree every year, we will give the greatest gift to our future generations. Slowly, the villagers' hearts changed. Elders remembered their childhood spent under Grandpa Tree's shade. Mothers recalled nursing their babies under its cool branches. The young understood that progress wasn't just about buildings but living in harmony with nature. Together, the village decided, Grandpa Tree will not be cut down. The factory builders had to leave but promised to work respectfully with trees outside the village. What happened next? Grandpa Tree's shade grew even wider. Ahmed and the children planted many more trees, mango, neem, amalthus, and berry trees. Greenery spread everywhere. Birds returned, the air filled with fresh scents, the water levels improved, and the village felt alive again. Grandpa Tree whispered to Ahmed, "My son, you have not only saved me but secured your own life. The story does not end here. Every tree you plant today will give life to your future generations tomorrow." The message of the story. Trees are a blessing from God. They don't just give wood or fruit, they give us breath, shade, beauty, and make the earth livable. If we plant a tree today, our future generations will thank us forever. Remember, planting a tree is like giving ongoing charity. If you like the video, then like the video, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Hope you watch every video of this channel.